If you are tired of feeling sluggish and want to completely reset your gut health from home, this ancient two-step botanical remedy hides a powerful secret that most people completely overlook. So watch closely until the very end, because this simple daily routine starts with a vital step. If you want to naturally revitalize your body, try bringing 500 milliliters of filtered water. Bring it to a rolling boil because this simple daily routine relies on a secret remedy. This remedy uses exactly 100 grams of high-quality dried plums. You must first rinse them thoroughly with a pinch of health-safe baking soda. This rinsing process will remove any impurities, since these specialized plums are packed with powerful polyphenols. They are loaded with critical vitamins and vital minerals that your body desperately needs. These nutrients will gently stimulate your digestive system while acting as a very mild laxative. This formula strengthens bones from within and profoundly boosts your everyday cardiovascular health. Now, carefully pour that hot boiling water directly over the prepared plums. And let this potent mixture steep for 40 minutes to fully extract the nutrients. But whatever you do, make sure you do not discard these soft plums afterward. Instead, strain this deep plum infusion using a fine mesh sieve into a glass. Do this right before squeezing in the fresh juice of half an organic lemon, because this exact combination instantly supercharges your immune defenses. It works by gently stimulating slow digestion and cleansing both the liver and kidneys. For the best results, drink 1 cup twice a day for a full 2-week cycle. Though you should consult a doctor first if you suffer from a highly sensitive stomach. And remember that this liquid stays perfectly fresh in the fridge for 5 days. But the second part of this recipe is where the real magic happens, as you grind the pitted plums. Turn them into a rich paste and transfer them into a clean glass storage jar. Complete the step by pouring in exactly 125 milliliters of pure extra virgin olive oil. Take just 2 tablespoons before bedtime to experience a total digestive reset overnight. Let me know down in the comments section which beautiful country you are watching from. And make sure to protect your health because your body truly deserves the best care. Thank you for sharing your time with us today here at Recipes for You.